My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 57,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, on our first page, we can access our key features, which include navigation, mobile apps, and Bluetooth. On the second page, we have Ford Pass Connect, Apple and Android CarPlay, voice control, and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control. This includes heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel. If we press our mode button, we can switch between normal, eco, and sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.